understand. How do y'all come to the beach unprepared?
There's a store right there.
Did y'all plan to just sit in the sand? Did you plan to get in the water?
Yeah.
And how were you gonna dry off? Where were you gonna? Yeah, but where were you gonna sit? That's crazy. That's wild.
Oh my, you're ill prepared.
That's wild. No, I don't have a key. I asked you to lock the door.
I did. I said.
Go ahead. Unprepared children, unprepared husband. I don't get it. What? Tell me what to do. You've been telling me what to do all day.
Did it though. You need to do it. I'm not telling you what to do.
You telling me what to do.
What's right?
Y'all gotta go buy a towel. Huh?
You're buying a towel?
How the hell else is she supposed to dry off? Y'all gonna share a towel?
anything.
That don't make no sense.
One more gonna give her a shirt? You wanna drive with the shirt?
No, I'm trying to let you pass. Sorry, excuse me? What's the, those are the smaller ones?
Yeah.
Those are really small. No, they're the same size as this.
That's more on the other side.
What's this? Oh, that's too small. So late. I was thinking about something to lay on too.
Okay.
Well, you can get a small towel because like you don't need nothing bigger than that, right? I was trying to see if I could find a almost like the beach, like a sheet, but I don't think they have anything like that. Oh, look, family time. Okay, I'm coming. Don't you treat me right. Give me all the things I need that money can't buy. They're gonna mute this shit. Oh, this is $25. Something bigger. Okay. Are they cheaper or no?
They're same price.
Same price, okay. Well, if you want to get one of those, I'm gonna try to get this. It's a little larger, I guess, than normal. So y'all can have the sheet and I can lay on this.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you come to the beach to do? Stay dry?
Get a
No?
little sexy quick tan and go to work, get an extra tip for it. Get that little chocolate on them. Do not split the pole.
Thank you.
Not the restaurant for that.
Huh? Right, it's not, I mean, like if you worked at like Hooters or some shit, then I'd be like, all right, take your shirt off. You work at like a steakhouse. That's why I'm so surprised. I'm just like, the caliber of person that comes in here, like, I would never think that that's what they're saying to you.
What is that? Van Hooters? I made it up. I'm gonna call it Chesties.
So right there to that space, because it's closer to the water. All right, it's motherfucking hot, bro. It's motherfucking hot. Right to where she went. Yeah. We have an umbrella too. I mean, she like literally stopped with us.
I like this. I mean,
huh?
I like the cover.
Thank you.
Shit that, I mean.
Here. Hold on, because I got a towel that me and him can probably sit on. I have to set up the umbrella first though.
Getting some of the.
Okay.
The back.
Now I'm gonna put it on the floor real quick.
Real deal.
Mommy.
Real deal.
Mommy. Look how pretty it looks.
Yo.
You have another scrunchie?
No.
He also told me his wishes. I was like, you. Relax, bro.
First of all,
I think you know. I was like, well, if that's something that's gonna happen, then what's happening?
Omar. Speaker in your bag. I know. I don't know why you just didn't put the bag in the thing.
Feels great.
Go get it.
Water feels great. Oh, I'm like, how far? Yes. Water feels great.
We're done. Is this dead?
Yeah, I got
Oh, I'm gonna be so pissed.
North
No. You just sprayed my hand too.
What up? Underneath here so they don't shrink.
Yeah.
Damn, I think it's fucking dead. How when I charged it 2 days ago?
We have
Pissing me off.
we have the what's called thing?
No. I have the portable charger, but I don't have the cord to the fucking. It's in that that blue bag, the portable charger. Okay. Just bring your whole bag. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Can you please come spray my back and my legs and stuff? Because I can't afford to burn. No, that is tanning oil.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah, but
I know.
I will burn. I have to do this and then the tanning oil. It's not a lot in there. Hold on, I'm coming. Let me take this off.
I can't survive.
Okay, you go for the back. I'm gonna go for the front. Shit. No, you good. More of my shoulders.
So when I came here the first time, and
Your
Yeah.
skin burned?
I mean like my shoulders,
Really?
because it was extra hot and I had nothing on.
I'd be so surprised with brown skin people like burn, like,
It's just like,
cause it feels like if you touch it,
not.
like,
yeah.
So yeah, you burnt. That's what I'm saying. That's so
I think no, I was
different
in,
for
I was
me.
in Aruba. Yeah, I was
that's the sun. Nah,
The
but the
sun
sun,
was like-
tropical sun is different.
direct.
Like yeah, that shit's different. Yep, like the white people. I gotta put it in this. So like my nose, this, and this will burn. Everything else is tan. This will get fucking red. Why is it always when we pull up? I swear, every time we pull up, the clouds come. Every time. Y'all was at Rock Bar the other day, right?
Yeah.
How you like it? The food is subpar, like.
Right. I just like the mega drink.
Yeah, when we first came here, the very first time the food was great. Go ahead, cause
Yeah, I
she
know.
fiending. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna come.
Waterfall's good.
Okay. It's food time. Publix sandwiches. If you're not up on it, get up on it. And that's it. Yeah, I think I want this half. I'm gonna give Babe this half. I should have put y'all when I was packing, huh?
How can I do that?
I got my water. And then I got chips and fruit for later. I'm trying to hide the spicy nachos. It's bad, right? I know. Generation C in their natural habitat.
You call them Gen Z?
In their natural habitat
So what comes after
with the
Gen Z?
phone. I don't know. Look at this. First thing they did, straight to the water, pictures. Now she wanna come eat. Look at this shit. Look at this bullshit. Look at this.
She look like you.
Look at this. Oh.
I'm just hungry, bro.
Who's being scared? Oh, this shit cold.
Oh, he said that. She said, no, you gotta get used to it. I hate getting used to it.
Nah, it's cold.
I'm gonna wait for the sun to come back out.
Okay, but give me a second. Damn. It's cold.
This shit not cold to you?
It is cold. Oh, I'm sinking fast.
It's cold until you're in there.
Shit, where's the come back?
The sun, right? I ain't going nowhere until that bitch come back.
Play right here. Splash, splash.
Splash, splash. You know the vibes. Huh? I know, but I gotta get through that to go to that. I'm gonna get there. I just waiting for the sun.
Still this.
Yeah. They were in the front. It was take one. It said take one. It literally said take one. I hope you could catch. I hope you could throw. Don't strain yourself.
I know how to throw.
Don't strain yourself.
I don't think I can throw right now because it takes a lot of pull.
Get ready. Sink your feet in.
I am. I'm trying to get
Get-
shit right.
See if it's your target. Oh, you supposed to dive. Come on, bro. Jump for the ball.
But I gotta fix that every time. I don't know. Depends on where you're at. Oh, because I've been trying to use auto to like let it autofocus. It doesn't work out. Because autofocus will give you darkness. It does. Okay. Well, all right, forward march, people. Let's go. We're oh, somebody peed right there. It's warm. Just kidding. I always say that when it get warm, I be like, oh, somebody peed right here. It's so nice. Look. I don't think I ever done that. I always stay over there.
Oh, heavy.
It's all clear. We can see the ripples in the sand. It's warmer over here too than it is down back there. Okay.
Watch at the bottom for any critters.
There ain't no critters over here.
Don't step on any.
Woo! Caught my butt. Woo!
I'm not ready.
It's not cold.
Let's go.
All right, it's cold.
All right, we catching the fish first.
Okay, but don't throw it at me because I got the camera.
Wait.
I missed that. Let's see. Oh, that's what it is. No wonder. Okay.
No, the lefty.
No.
It's the nation.
Ah!
The nation. Okay, ready?
Oh God. Throw the ball. Okay. Okay. It was a two-hand toss for me. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, it's my turn. Y'all ready? Look, I don't know what's gonna happen, but. Ah!
You know what? Adrian, make it look like
Okay, y'all ready? Huh? Yeah. Ready? I don't know if y'all saw that. Okay, how about I put the camera down and show you how to really throw the ball? Somebody hold this goddamn camera. Somebody hold the camera. You too. I wish I could go like this. You know what I need? When they go in the water. And just stay. Okay, come on. Challenge accepted. Round 2. But I can't throw the ball though. Where are you going though? But I can throw the ball. Where are you going? Get the ball. Come on. Toss it back. No, no.
Don't worry, Savage. Don't play catch me, Dad.
Oh, I wasn't jumping up there. We had fun that day. We played football for like 2 hours. It was like the guys against the girls. It was mad fun. It was my homegirl Demi's birthday. Okay. So nobody. I want to swim now. I said I want to swim. I want to put this in the thing.
All that. You little catfish, I go far for you.
What? say about the music?
The music sounds like.
Traga.
Well, their music. There's some other good music out there.
Basura.
This shit is crazy.
Right?
What the?
Because like if you want to play music, can you play stuff that we all want to listen to? Well, I don't need it back. I'm just saying. I said that we all listen. You listen to all
Like
kind of
on
music.
radio.
It don't got to be like that though.
I'm saying, but you can put it back on your thing so I can play the radio.
Well, how about you put it back? Because you took it off. So. I seen something cool happening down the beach. I decided I wanted to come see what it looked like. Got wet. Got my butt. Can I try? Can I try? Hell no. I was gonna come over here and ask, can I get some footage of you guys?
What's up?
Can I get some footage of you guys doing that? Do you mind?
You have like a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Oh. No. And I ain't
You
gonna.
get the water.
I'm not gonna set you up for failure either. Babe, you would bounce off that shit and
How you got faith in me?
Babe, it's not about faith. I've never, okay, I'm not saying that you couldn't do it once upon a time, but I've never seen you do it. And I've been with you a little long now, so.
Get your speed, bro.
I can do that. Oh, that's good.
You said what?
Stretch first.
You gonna stretch first? Dog.
You want to see it?
Okay.
In the water would be no problem. That could be me.
It will be.
But it's sand. I mean, how hard you gonna?
You don't think that shit hurt?
I always tell her stop doing so much. I say I'll be right back. I'll take care of it. She just can't sit her ass down. Then she wonder why she feeling a little crampy, why she getting a little sore. Why you think? Because she want to build tents and houses and not sit still. Hey, babe.
Driving mad weird.
And did you mess up? A little bit, right?
It was just hard.
He just tried to take my teeth out with the glass bottle.
It was hard.
It's like he pulled off extra hard so that it would hit my teeth.
Now you gotta change the light back because you're actually light skinned.
No, it's just really clear the way it's supposed
You
to be.
ain't really that bright.
No.
See that look like sun on your face, sun on your face.
Type parallel parking space is my parents' house. Y'all know Livingston, New York. Is
We would squeeze into them little ass
like
spots.
this,
It'd be like this.
and still get out. Like still get out at the end of the day. They'll still get
It's
pull out.
it's a New York thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
You have a shirt?
No,
I didn't change it.
But I told you.
I didn't bring no shirt. Do I need a shirt?
I mean, I was very specific that we were not gonna be.
But this is not a bad top. It's
Going
like
home.
having a tube top on.
Girl. Okay, here we go.
Let's go thinking we're
We about to die.
What happened? Ugh. It's me trying to get out. Yeah. Oh, well, you definitely don't have no extra shirt. You don't have no shirt in your bag either?
Me?
Not for you, for her.
I don't got nothing.
Okay.
I got stuff.
Huh?
I can leave this in the
Yeah. Put it in the trunk though.
I know I should have worn socks in my Crocs. Should have.
You know, I'm a sock croc girl too, but I
My Crocs look dirty because Jamari wants to wear them outside.
yeah. Well, only when I'm like going to work. I don't necessarily do it when
I
I'm.
don't even know. I'm trying to figure
You
out.
don't even know. I don't even know what kinky means.
You don't know what kinky means? Really?
I don't know the definition.
That's what we gonna go with?
No, we're dead.
That's what we gonna go with?
So now,
I'm dead serious.
wait, time out. Fill me in.
I know what a kink is though. A kink
Because
is
look
like
at what my
having
shirt
something
says,
that
but
you
I didn't
like.
realize until I read it myself. So I'm like, what is kinky?
That's what we doing? Or is that what you telling everybody?
No, I
Is
really
that
don't
what
know.
you telling everybody?
Oh, okay. So the story is you didn't know?
Yeah, I didn't know what it
What does it mean?
Bro,
It's not like what does it mean?
what does
Kink-
it mean?
Kinky is very like.
Sexual.
What's that? What it mean, babe?
like-
Tell me what it
I
mean.
swear, I thought I was saying like
Right, like real
Does it
nasty.
have-
It's like real nasty, real
Is it
bad.
like a fetish?
Real
or
nasty,
no?
real
It's
bad.
not
No,
fetish.
real nasty, real
I
bad.
thought it was saying I'm funny. That's why I left.
So you're saying okay? So clearly I can't get the picture because you're not gonna send it to me.
No, I'm gonna send it to
No,
you.
no.
I'm
But
not being
but
sarcastic.
I
That's
know.
our
But the
thing.
point is, you were like, can you run faster?
Yeah, because I
No.
can off right now.
I can't run faster than you. Not right
Yeah,
now.
Exactly.
But I said
Can I sleep?
right.
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
said
But can you find it? Exactly.
your phone. So
Exactly.
let me see how smart you are and how well you're gonna
very
plan this out, right? Because you usually have your phone in your hand when you fall asleep.
But now, but I'm knowing now, so it's like, all right.
All right,
Now
bet.
it's like,
So like, I'm
Like,
gonna
sleep in.
find your phone while you sleep tonight.
all right,
Now
bet.
I'm
But
knowing.
you can't, like,
Right? She be like,
but you can't take. You gotta give it back to her.
No, I'm not gonna take it, but I'm gonna find it.
That's trying to negotiate.
Right.
No, I'm just making.
No, because I wasn't trying to find the phone to take the phone.
No, I know.
I was just trying to prove a point that I can get the pictures if I want to.
Yeah.
Because I can take your phone whenever you.
But I want you to come in my room when I'm sleeping and try to find my phone now.
All right, bet.
That's it.
Bet. Okay.
I'm gonna plan
Bet.
it somewhere so well.
Bet.
Like it's gonna be, you're gonna be like, I don't even know.
Ah, my fingers are swollen. Gotta be about to be nice to me.
That's the color price. He said, yo, you like how I got it? I said, well, yeah, sure, if Samara never crashed.
Facts.
What you say?
Like if Puda never hit the side of the wall, then we probably would have let her drive. But like,
Oh yeah.
it ain't going down no more. Nobody can drive it. Ooh, look, cute cop. Man in uniform. When they look good, they look good. I'm just saying. Right, babe? Follow me. All right, guys. So, ooh, that coffee smells good. Ooh. Nah, you gotta know how to do coffee right. You're talking to the master.
I love coffee.
Coffee is so good. You just gotta know how to do it. Like a good Cuban coffee, a good Spanish, like or Spanish coffee, or like a good latte.
What you're making Cuban coffee? That's it.
Yeah, Cuban coffee is the bomb, but it's not sugary.
I feel like I know the way we go.
It's okay. I will tell you if you're going the wrong way.
The Spanish soda. So good.
Like the Jaritos.
Like Jujinha, Matepa, like, you know, those kind of canned ones.
Those are good. The Jaritos is good though.
I want to try that.
I like the pineapple and the fruit punch. Bomb. I feel like My shoe is doing something weird.
You know, you remind me of the girl. She's just like you. She said it's bomb. Oh my god. On TikTok.
That's the thing.
Yes.
Ooh. Look, I would be cute in this. With my belly. Where? Oh, I'm like, where's my child? You blend it right in. With my stomach, look, I gotta make it look like I got a stomach. No?
Yeah.
She got boobs like me.
See, they look cute though.
They huge though. This is really
But they look nice. They look natural.
damn. You got this in black so I can wear it to work. I wonder how much. You said they look natural. Yeah, because they finally dropped.
Exactly. So don't be sad.
I'm not sad. Okay, I don't see the owner, but no, I really want this. Because I feel like I can wear it before and after. Right? And so, excuse me. You work here? Oh. Cuánto? How much? Okay. Do you have a different color? What color? Show me. What? Hold on. Samira! Come here.
I found it in black.
Yeah, I like this one.
Do you have like a shirt? You want to find a shirt?
I know this graphic tee that has. Yeah.
Maybe if you buy a shirt from me, I can get a deal. Okay. It's one size?
Yeah, it's everything is adjustable.
Okay. So it'll fit me now, and then it'll fit me later? Yay.
This very low.
Okay. And then it'll...
Yeah, you can fit now.
Yeah. Yeah, I want it to fit now and later.
You can tie this more up, right?
Okay, if I want it up, and then more low if I want it low. And same with this? No, okay. Okay, I'll take it.
I want this.
You want that? You sure? Are you gonna put it on right now? I want something to cover you right now.
So then I'm gonna get a shirt.
She has like bandos though. You see the little netted shirts? They on this side, right there. They're probably gonna tag me for this music. That is a dress. That's
I know. I thought she had shirts like that.
This is what I was talking about.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. In black.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's giving better than you walk around in a bandeau. But yes, this is very appropriate.
Thank you. Oh my god. Bro, they can see everything I'm doing right now.
Because you did something behind my back?
No, I was just being weird.
No, they don't all look like. You just look at the dude.
Oh, wait. Y'all getting burrito taco? Okay. You know, it's fine.
We're going to be at the jerk pork spot. We're going to sit down and eat over there.
Hold on, wait. Yeah, there's a burger spot, pizza spot, barbecue, then you got tacos, there's Caribbean food over here. Then where we're going is like, yeah, but like jerk on the grill.
Well, you need to try some jerk pork anyway. Forget all this other stuff. You ain't never had no jerk pork. You will try some jerk pork today. That's it.
The pineapple ginger. Kind of real good. This hurt my toe. Shoes. They plastic. It's hurting my toe. Okay.
This is real juice.
Yeah. I know. I want that, but I want the realness of it, but I don't want it juice. I want like my fruit.
Right.
Yeah, like I want
Something fun, not healthy.
No, I want fruit, but they're frozen so it comes like a smoothie.
I need a bottle of water right now.
This is a lot. It's like we're doing the most.
This is like open for like a whole year or just?
It's open all year long, but it's open only on Saturdays and Sundays. Thank you. Thanks to you. I mean, I've been it a few times. I'm good. My youngest is 15.
You got the strap. That's all I
Starting
need. That
over.
strap. That's it.
Thank you. Woo, child. Sis said 14 and 4. She got 2 under 2. That's great.
She had how many?
She has 2 under 2. So she basically had hers back to back because he's 14 months and the baby is 4 months.
6 month checkup.
Bitch. Not happening. Inject me immediately, okay? I actually was like, while you in there, go ahead and snip, tuck, and burn, whatever you gotta do. Get it out of here. Period. Ow, my toe. These shoes, I don't like it. It's like it's making, you see the red mark right there? Sorry, look. Right here. It's making a blister on my foot.
Right, don't bend.
I can bend up. Yeah, listen, stop treating me like I'm handicapped.
But you are, you're not handicapped, but you are like, you're limited to the stuff that you can do.
But
You
I
can't get up too
but
quick.
I, right,
You
but
can't
I
be on your
can
feet
bend.
all
I
day,
can,
all night. You can't walk around too much.
but I can't bend
She gonna
over.
be in pain. She gonna be doing all this like.
No, yesterday was OD. Yo.
Exactly, because you want to walk around the
Yesterday.
fair all night.
No, but it was me and Omar. Yo, we was that hill at the hill. I wasn't in there. The hill at the fair, bro. I was like this,
I'm like, y'all,
trying to walk up the hill.
she's young. Like, come on.
It was kind of terrible, and I was on my feet all day the day before, so I give that to you. We need to. Okay, look, Chicky, go get that square table. Get that square table. Oh my God. Siéntate aquí.
Can you give me your card to get this movie?
Who said I was buying you anything?
It's like, can you buy me this movie and I give you the cash card?
Okay, I'll go to that. I don't want to walk all the way back to the car. I don't need you to walk
I'm going to that.
And you don't need to go to him either. Where's your money?
Mommy, why would, yo, when you get a job, they just act like they're not your kid no more, bro. Like, wait, no, like you're not their kid no more. Like, bro, I don't want to pay. Bro, you still have to pay.
What you mean? So I still have to buy everything.
My deodorant, my toothpaste.
No. That
I know. I
agree
be
with.
okay, but all kids can relate that we feel the responsibility because, like, dang, now we gotta buy everything.
No, you don't have to buy that.
All right,
stuff.
but when I'm out with my parents, you're gonna buy. Like, what you mean, bro?
But I don't understand why you can't buy your own smoothie.
Because I want my mom
Okay,
to
so
buy.
the
I
other
just went to
day-
the fair and brought my food by myself. I didn't ask her for
but
nothing.
you were gonna go to the fair and pay for your own ticket, but who wound up paying for the ticket?
I paid for it.
No, you didn't because you never sent me the money.
Well, I paid for my rides. Okay, I thought that was the same thing. Sorry. But I sent Omar my 35 for my rides. Yeah, and I paid for my food. Yeah, come on, bro. It's alright. I'll go get that. Like my post, y'all. I'm that good.
Look, she's like, follow. Which page is that? The one I can't follow?
No, it's my main period.
It's your
If
main
you want to
page?
follow my spam, you can go follow it. I just have to accept you. If I don't accept you, you're done. Oh, people started liking already.
You need to just tell them your YouTube.
It is Samira-Lyn, SAHMIRA.
I'm gonna do that in slow motion.
SAHMIRA.
Period.
LYNN. Period.
Put some respect on that name. Okay, so smoothie. That one's one too though. We make sure he gets some hard dough bread for me, and then I'll be back, and we'll go. Babe. Ah, look at my hand. It's like a glove. You make sure you get some hard dough bread. Okay. And make sure you get the hot sauce, the hot and the honey chicken. I mean the yellow barbecue. I'm gonna go get the smoothie. The jerk sauce. Oh, there's none right here. Usually has jerk sauce. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'm gonna go get the smoothies, okay? Alright. What are you getting me? Whatever I get. You gonna like it. That's it. Craziness. Thank you. Mina, this is yours. Okay, so y'all see I got green apples, pineapples, kiwi, strawberries. Look at that. Yes, it's gonna be so good. Ah, so excited. That's rude though. I know. That's rude. Now don't worry, when it leveled out in high school, and you know, I was the biggest in my class in all the high school. And then all the girls and boys, everybody shot up past me, blue boobs, blue ass, all that. I mean, I was just looking like, they're all taller than me. Right. But not like, they're not look tall, but like, but your mom is tiny.
How tall are you, Jimmy?
4'11". I'm about to say she's 4 foot nothing.
No, I'm not 5 feet.
You're not 5 feet.
4'11", I know.
She told you your true weight, your true height.
I took a picture of her doctor. I tell you what's going up when I be looking at her degree.
They go by her braids. Yes, they do. Girl, you are not 5 feet. Nothing about you says 5 feet. How you know? You measure her yourself?
It's 5 foot.
No, my dad is well, the top is 5 foot nothing.
They're the same. They're 5 foot.
The same height.
Yes.
No, the top is taller than me.
Not this taller.
I think the top is taller than her.
Not taller.
Yes, she is.
Yeah. She's taller than her.
Yes.
That means you're not 5 foot.
You're 5. No, you're not.
5 foot.
No, I'm not. It's okay. I'm gonna pull out. It's okay. I'm pulling out the measuring tape to the house. I want to prove that you're not 5 feet.
I am 5 feet. And then
When you are, I'll apologize.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid from all of us. She didn't even do nothing though. So I didn't even do nothing. It's like apologies from everybody.
you remind me of Dory.
I'm gonna get some stone.
Like, she just like, I remind you of Dory. Yeah, because I'm like, it's not ugly. No, but when you look at her eyes, like, look at her
Dory's beautiful.
eyes. Oh my God, Dory's eyes are not big. But not.
Hold up. Let me just say.
She has a syndrome?
I just want to say, I fight kids. Why you talking about my daughter like that?
Wait, Dory has a syndrome?
Yo, why
Wait, no, stop. Dory has a syndrome. Yeah.
She has short-term memory loss.
Oh, yeah, okay. But that's not like nothing special.
But she said, no, but she said,
One eye right there.
she said her eyes, like, Dory's eyes is mad big. Like, why you talking about my daughter like this? Like,
One eye right here.
what your sister say? You want to fight it out? You want to fight it
So
out?
like her eyes catchy, like someone like it's good Dory, like not in a bad way.
Good Dory.
I'm kidding, babe. But like,
What are you doing?
she said she reminds me of Dory, and everybody was like, wait, Finding Nemo Dory?
Yeah.
Like,
Tried you, right?
No, I did not.
hold on, let me see. You do not like Dory.
Alright, I know you did.
Yes, you do.
Let me bring it up.
Y'all see how
I ain't gonna lie, you really look like
Yeah, I didn't mean it like that though. And they be like, you did. No, I didn't. What are you talking about?
I'm going back to exchange the dress because my future husband told me that I need to stop buying stuff in black. I'm tired of looking at black clothes.
Who told you that?
My other future husband. He acting like he didn't say that. What? Where's the bathroom? Right there? Okay, the dress shop is over here. Y'all, look. I messed up my dress more. And I got it rolled up because I just got stains everywhere. Oh.
You gonna get a pregnant bid?
I don't need no damn bib. I just need to be more mindful with my stuff.
Wait, this is this spot, right?
Yeah. Thank you. I want this. Yeah, the crochet. I don't know, y'all. This one's pretty too.
One size?
Yeah, it's one size. I don't know. Wait. Hold on.
One size ain't her size.
If you know,
It's this part. Yeah, about. It's gonna be this right here. This is not gonna fit. It's my hips.
It's not.
Damn. I know.
I gotta go look into tomorrow anyway.
Okay.
I love all this stuff.
Thank you
I
though.
love these type of dresses. I've always said that.
Okay, so we out.
I thought I was gonna Spanish girl. You supposed to be wearing this stuff.
I am Spanish, but I don't mean how to dress like that.
I mean, you
Okay.
can a little bit.
I was trying to
I
see.
ain't saying getting the jeans that look like leggings.
You too, thank you. I was trying to see if there was something here, but no. I'm gonna show you what I was gonna originally wear. To like the other one, and then you let me know. Let's go through here. Pardon me. Thank you. See you later.
Listen, nobody has studied John Cena and John Cena's behaviors in the ring more than Austin Theory. Theory needs to stick to his game plan and not let John Cena dictate the pace of this matchup.
One of the stories building up to this match tonight was John Cena claiming that Austin Theory has it.